Salman Khan is reportedly upset, and this time it's not about films. The superstar and his family are unhappy with Lilavati Hospital after doctors shared details about Salim Khan's health with the media. The Khan family has now clearly asked hospital authorities not to release any further information about Salim Saab's condition. They want privacy, they want dignity, and most importantly, they want to avoid unnecessary speculation. A source close to the family told the entertainment portal, "Health is a private matter. Ideally, no updates should be shared with the media and any communication should be left entirely to the family, if and when they choose to address fans and well-wishers." The insider further added, Salman and his family were displeased with the doctor's public statement and have clearly conveyed to the authorities that they do not want any further details disclosed. The source also explained the family's stand, saying, "It can be understandable that there is immense public interest in Salim Saab's well-being, but medical information is a confidential matter. The family wants to avoid any unnecessary speculation or media scrutiny surrounding Salim Khan's condition. This means Lilavati Hospital in Mumbai will no longer share updates about Salim Khan's health." Earlier, on Wednesday, Dr. Jalal Parkar addressed the media station outside the hospital. He revealed that Salim Khan had suffered a minor brain hemorrhage, after which a routine procedure was performed. Here's what the doctor said. "He was having jerks and his blood pressure was high. We treated him. We had to put him on a ventilator so that he would not worsen. It wasn't because he was critical. We did the investigations that were required. Today, we have done a small procedure on him. I will not go into its details. He is fine. He is stable. He has been shifted to the ICU. By tomorrow, he will be off the ventilator. He is doing quite well. Age is a factor, I understand. That is why the process of recovery will take time." Salim Khan was admitted to the hospital on 17 February 2026. He is currently on ventilator support. For now, the family is focused only on his recovery, away from the spotlight. At the premiere of her upcoming film The Bluff, Priyanka Chopra once again proved why fans admire her far beyond the big screen. A heartfelt video shared by model Geena Sandhu has now gone viral, and it's melting hearts everywhere. The touching moment happened during the grand premiere of The Bluff, where Priyanka stunned in a custom yellow sari gown by Gaurav Gupta, complete with a dramatic extended veil drape. In the video, Geena is seen chatting happily with Priyanka. But within seconds, emotions take over. Geena gets visibly teary-eyed, and what Priyanka does next has everyone talking. As tears rolled down Geena's face, Priyanka instinctively reached out and gently wiped them away, using a part of her own couture gown. She then softly brushed Geena's hair away from her face before posing for photographs. Sharing the emotional clip on Instagram, Geena wrote, "A true girl's girl, a woman who will literally use her own couture gown to wipe your tears." She further added, "Never washing my face nor taking a shower, crying face emojis, a true definition of a Queen Priyanka Chopra in her costume." The internet was quick to react. Fans flooded the comments section with love and admiration. One fan wrote, "Queen of humility. Yet another reason why we love her." Others called the moment precious, adorable, and said it proves that Priyanka always uplifts women around her. Geena also shared pictures from the evening and praised Priyanka's performance in The Bluff, appreciating how the film portrays layered womanhood, strength, resilience, and grace coexisting in one character. In the action-packed drama, Priyanka stars opposite Carl Urban, performing intense sword and gun sequences. Directed by Frank E. Flowers, the film will stream on Amazon Prime Video from 25th February. And that's not all. Fans will also see Priyanka return in season 2 of Citadel, further strengthening her global presence. On screen, she's fierce and powerful. Off screen, she's grace and kindness. And that's exactly why fans call her a true queen. The wait is finally over. The teaser of Toxic, a fairy tale for grown-ups, Kannada superstar Yash's first film after the massive KGF Chapter 2, has officially dropped, and fans are going wild. The makers had promised a Friday morning release, and they delivered. Within minutes, the action-packed teaser flooded social media, sparking excitement everywhere. The teaser opens with Yash's character, Raya, being told that this war is different. What follows is a gripping montage of intense battles and brutal fistfights. The visuals are dark, gritty, and larger than life. We see Raya in explosive action sequences, chopping off limbs, grating heads, and beating men to pulp, all while demanding some ing manners. The scale, production design, and raw action have clearly impressed fans. One fan declared, "Another blockbuster from Kannada industry," while another brought back memories of his iconic KGF role, saying, "King of Indian cinema Rocky Bhai." Some even believe the film's impact could shake up the box office. Referring to its clash with Ranveer Singh's upcoming film, one fan boldly wrote, "Rip to Dhurandhar 2." Many viewers were stunned by how graphic and intense some scenes were. As one fan admitted, never expected this type of scene from Yash. Directed by Geetu Mohandas, the film also stars Rukmini Vasant, Nayantara, Kiara Advani, Tara Sutaria, Huma Qureshi, Akshay Oberoi, and Sudev Nair in key roles. Yash and Geetu have co-written the film. Shot simultaneously in Kannada and English, Toxic is set to hit theatres on 19th March. Interestingly, it will clash at the box office with Ranveer Singh's much-anticipated Dhurandhar, The Revenge. With two big stars, massive fan bases, and sky-high expectations, this could be one of the biggest pan-India box office clashes in years. The battle lines are drawn, and fans are ready. Dating rumors around Mrinal Thakur and Dhanush have been making headlines for months now. The buzz first began in August 2025 when Mrinal was seen warmly greeting Dhanush at the premiere of her film Son of Sardar 2. Since then, speculation has only grown stronger. Now, in a recent interview, Mrinal has finally addressed the chatter and clarified her admiration for the Tamil star. While promoting her film Do Deewane Seher Mein, she openly called herself a huge fan of Dhanush. She said, "After watching Ryan, Mari, Ranjana, Captain Miller, I am a big fan of him. Asuran 2. I can watch it multiple times. And he is such an institution, and it takes so much for an actor to take out that performance from other actors too. So he is a fantastic lyricist, writer, dancer, actor, director, whatnot. Mrinal also revealed that she personally invited him to a screening of Son of Sardar 2 while he was shooting for Tere Ishq Mein. It so happened that while he was shooting for Tere Ishq Mein, I just was like, "Sir, can you please come for the screening of Son of Sardar?" I didn't know he would come, and he just came, and I was so happy. I was like, this is really sweet, and I really wish to work with him one day, she said. Meanwhile, wedding rumors have also been doing the rounds. Several reports recently claimed that the two actors are planning to tie the knot soon. But Mrinal dismissed these speculations with humor. She laughed and said, the wedding is taking place according to them. When asked whether such rumors affect her, she responded candidly, "Up until now, I didn't have a PR team. I had to hire a team to sort things out because my home address was out in public. To protect myself, I had to hire a team. But I have realized that even if I spend 3 crore rupees, 6 crore rupees, 10 crore rupees, itni publicity mujhe kabhi nahi milegi. For now, it's clear, admiration, yes. Wedding bells? Not quite.